Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of reversible knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps and mufflers. Both sides are same, so you can use any side you want. This is reversible pattern. This is so stitchable also. Basically this is one row repeat pattern. You can also call this pattern two rows repeat pattern and cast on multiple of 2. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 12 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches multiple of 2, and here I make this pattern after cast on. So let's begin. This is first row and base row or foundation row. So this is foundation row. This row we make only when we start our any kind of your project. So base row, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit a stitch from right side. Base row is completed now. This is main row. From this row we start our repeat pattern, slip a stitch, takes yarn to back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit one from first loop, from this loop, not from this loop, from this loop. This is first loop. Insert this needle and knit this loop. Knit one, yarn in front, purl one. Now we make this pattern. How much you have? Knit one from first loop and purl one. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit one from first loop, yarn in front, purl one, yarn in back, knit one from first loop, purl one, yarn in back, knit one from first loop, purl one, knit one from first loop, purl one. Here we complete 5 times repeat pattern. A stitch, knit a stitch from right side. Now again we repeat this row, slip a stitch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit one from second loop, not from this loop. We knit this from second loop, purl one. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit one from this first loop, purl one. Again knit one from first loop, purl one, knit one from first loop, purl one, knit one, purl one, knit a stitch. Again repeat this first row, knit one from first loop, purl one, knit one from first loop, purl one, knit 1 from first loop, purl 1, knit 1 from first loop, purl 1, again knit 1 from first loop, purl 1, knit a stitch. Again we repeat this 1 row, and you can repeat this row again and again. After repetition of this row, this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.